I normally stay at hostels to save money, but yesterday at 3 a.m. I woke up to find a guy peeing on the floor. Peeing. So I decided that I'm going to stay at the best room in the entire city at the Four Seasons Hotel in Seoul.
Yes!
After 40 days of staying on bunk beds and couches, the last thing that I need is to have someone wake me up like this. Instead of a smelly shared bathroom, I'm getting my own personal one. Instead of 4 white hostel walls, I'm getting a city view over the president's house in Seoul, right as she's getting impeached. How cool is that? I'm paying 30 times the price of a hostel, not because I can't, but because I feel like one of the most basic ways to be happy and productive is to be well rested, physically and mentally. And waking up in the middle of the night to someone peeing on the floor is not one of them. That's 1 minute. See you tomorrow.